Ever wondered why you suddenly fly forward when the car brakes hard? Or why a football doesn't fly unless you kick it? Let's dive into the crazy world of motion and force. Welcome to Slide Science, where physics makes sense and sometimes nonsense. Force. So what exactly is force? Force is like that invisible friend who just loves to mess with stuff. It's the interaction between two objects that can make things move, speed them up, slow them down, stop them, change the direction, or turn them into modern art by changing their shape. Now, how does mass affect force? Simple. The heavier the object, the harder it is to move it. Ever tried pushing a sofa? Yeah, now imagine pushing an elephant. More mass equals more force needed. Less mass equals it moves like a feather in the wind. Who was Isaac Newton? Just your average 1600s English genius. He saw an apple fall and invented physics. His 3 laws of motion are basically the rule book for everything that moves. Let's break them down without breaking our heads. Newton's first law of motion. An object at rest stays at rest. An object in motion stays in motion. Unless a force says nope, also known as the law of inertia, or as I call it, the lazy object rule. Examples? A ball won't roll unless you kick it. You won't get out of bed unless mom yells. Classic first law. Newton's second law of motion. Force equals mass times acceleration. In simple words, the bigger the force, the more you move. The bigger the mass, the more effort it takes. Ever tried throwing a ping pong ball versus a watermelon? Yeah, second law in action. So next time you're struggling in the gym, just scream, "It's physics!" Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Punch the wall punches back and wins. Examples? Rockets launch by pushing gases down. The gases push the rocket up. You jump off a boat, and the boat jumps away from you. Physics equals rude. Inertia. Inertia is just an object's way of saying, let me live my life, don't move me unless you absolutely have to. Objects resist change. They want to chill forever. Acceleration. Change in speed or direction over time. Formula time. Acceleration equals change in velocity over time. So if your scooter suddenly speeds up, yep, that's acceleration. Momentum. It's mass in motion. So bigger mass or faster speed equals more momentum. Think of a bowling ball versus a tennis ball. Guess which one's going to keep going? Yep. Conservation of momentum. In a system with no external forces, total momentum stays the same. Before and after collision, same vibe. Types of forces. Contact forces. These forces need a personal touch. Literally. Like friction, tension, applied force. Two objects must be touching, like a push, pull, or awkward hug. Non-contact forces. These forces are like ghosts, powerful but invisible. Examples: gravity, magnetism, electric force. They act at a distance, spooky but real. So whether it's a spaceship zooming through space or a pencil rolling off your desk, force and motion are at play. And that's the beautiful chaos of physics. Like the ride? Want more fun science like this? Then hit subscribe to Slide Science, because learning is cooler when it makes you laugh. See you in the next video.